Good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, we'll be talking about my last project on ALX. We asked to make a project. Maybe this is the final project as we're graduating. My cohort is cohort 11 in the ALX 13 months program. So, due to light factor in Nigeria and also the fact that the timing is not actually perfect and it's colliding with my academic activities, I had to look for something easy and something simple to come up with immediately so that I can finish up my program. So I'll be showing us a demo of what I came up with, which is, as you're seeing here, is a portfolio website. I'll be walking us down through my PowerPoint slide and showing us a brief of this what the portfolio website looks like. And aside from that, I'll be talking on this slide and also show us the codes that are involved, the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I'm talking on all of this stuff. So firstly, let me talk about the portfolio projects, like the makeup, or let me just talk about the makeup. This is basically what a portfolio website is. It's mostly to showcase oneself, showcase what you do, so you can be able to attract clients, you can be able to attract people that you want to work with. So next, we'll be talking on the architecture. It's like a plan. So under the architecture, we have the front end static page, we have the navigations, we have the responsive design, we have the technologies which I used. I used HTML, CSS, and I used JavaScript. Okay, so I measured mostly in the front end, so that's why the technologies I used are just this. Though there are more to front end, but I just limited to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the meantime because I'm just starting off. So on the long run, I know that there are other programming languages that are upfront that I'll be learning. The next is to report on my development. I have the success, I have the failures, I have what I did, learn, like what I learned during the process, and then I have the next step too. So talking about the success of this design, the page was responsive both on large and small screens, whether accessing on a desktop or mobile device. Sorry. So I'll be showing you what I mean by being responsive. This is me. This is the website as a whole. So as one is increasing, depending on whatever screen you're using, it gradually adapts to each screen. Okay, back to this PowerPoint slide. I have easy navigation, so I show that the visitors who can actually visit this website can easily explore the portfolio, find their relevant information, and view different projects without confusion. So, about me section, service section, portfolio section, and as well as the contact section. And as you want the bottom like this, you can actually easily click here. I will just carry it up. So on to the next one is the contact information part. There is it was actually made easy for prospective clients to find so as to learn more about the work one does. So this website is mostly for me. So I decided to just start with creating a portfolio for myself. Let me actually look at let me see what I can do at the moment. And gladly it turned out nice. So we're going on to the failures. So I have performance issues, slow loading time because of large images and animations that are on the portfolio website. So there are broken links. So links to external projects or documents may actually be broken and unavailable at the moment. So next we'll be talking about what I learned. So I'll say I got better using my CSS to make the page responsive on large and small screen. So while working along on the project, I took time improving on how to enhance user experience using my JavaScript. So I worked with HTML. I was able to create hyperlinks, the integration of images. I was able to form the backbone of the website, structuring content and providing essential elements for effective presentation and user experience. So that's what we have here is we have the next step. So here how success and conclusion. So this project was a success. A portfolio becomes powerful tool for making a lasting impression on potential employers or clients in competitive landscape of the digital world. So your portfolio actually sells you, which is why I had to make more of myself. So down to the portfolio website itself and its codes. So the HTML, yeah, this is the home page. Okay, I introduced myself as Project Creating Niche front-end developer, a skilled web developer who is ready to put skill to work. If you click on this hire me, it's supposed to carry you. Don't mind my system too on the phone because my Gmail is easily accessible. I don't think my Gmail is accessible here on my laptop. So because my Gmail is easily accessible on my phone, once I click on hire me, it carries me directly or immediately to Gmail composition where you compose an email to someone. That is what this one works for. And sorry, this is the head part, the meta, chat set, and all the titles. So this particular website actually showcases the title that is supposed to come up once this is where it is. Once anyone opens your website, this is the title that shows right here. So we have the home, about sections, service section, portfolio contacts. Yep, this is the link for the style CSS. So for the home, about section, that is for the header section starts. Okay, sorry, actually divided by sections and then actually put a comment so that I don't get lost by trying to maybe update or do anything on my portfolio. So I need to just go directly by looking at where I commented and finding the sections of each part. So here is header section, which has a home, about, services, portfolio, and contact. So for the hire me part, this is actually for the home section, sorry. Here for the home where I introduce myself, the front end developer, and the mail too. This is where when you click hire me or hire me, it carries you to compose a mail, and this also is for getting acquainted. So sorry, when more clicks on my get acquainted part, it carries you down to my review page. These are some of the designs I came up with. I'm just learning though, but with time to get better. So this is the home. Let's say it's the home. And then when I click on about me, this place is where this is just everything about me. I'm a creative front-end developer, and down here on my HTML code, This is the About Me section. Here it is. This is where I introduce myself properly well, and the things that I do and the things that I can help you with. On the long run, this portfolio website will be updated more. So navigating is really nice because once I click on this service part, this is the things that I can offer to anyone at the moment. We'll be going over to the portfolio parts, like the latest projects that I've done. Before that, the service section, this is where it entails. These are the service section parts, the services that I provide. And for my CSS2, sorry about this. My CSS2, I broke down my style guide into sections too. For the body, for the header section, there is the colors and everything, the fact that it is aligned and also looking perfect the way you're seeing it. We also have the logo section. This logo section here is for this my name that is here. This signifies my logo at the moment until I can come up with something better. So we have the navigate, the home page, sorry, for the home, service, contacts, and what have you. So we have the menu icon, I have for the home section part, okay. So the about section, these are the codes that I wrote down to actually made it look the way it looks. And so you can hover around anything, it changes. If you touch any button, it changes. If you touch any design, things like this. These were done with CSX. So the about section, this is the service section. These are the codes that I came up with to make the portfolio look more responsive and interactive too. We have the portfolio section starts, like portfolio parts is the codes that are written down. So this is the content section as part, this is content section ends here. So here the ending section. The ending section part is after the contact section, which also the ending section. This is this part here where I have copyright and also this button that is supposed to carry you. Maybe cutting at the bottom and you actually want to go back up and navigate more so that you get acquainted with the whole portfolio website of a thing. So as I was talking about the HTML part, JavaScript actually helped me in creating this, making it device friendly, where you can actually drag and the content in the page increases or decreases or enlarges or reduces. That's what JavaScript actually helps me do. So this is the code that I had to run for it. So in the description part, I'll be dropping a link to my GitHub account where anyone can access the code that I used or how I was able to put these codes together. So this is for the projects that I did. So clicking on this, just clicking on this link will carry you down to a particular project. This is a pet registration app design that I actually came up with. And this is a particular screen that I came up with too. This is my Dribble account. So clicking on one of these links will actually carry you to things that I could create at the moment. Although there are ones that I've not added links to because I'm yet to make any designs at the moment. These are just a few ones that I could do. So this contact me. Clicking on this filling these forms and everything and clicking here is supposed to carry you to compose a mail. And you cannot actually click without filling this form here. So clicking on this will carry you to Gmail so you can compose a mail for me. Yet, although yeah, definitely in the future I will make it easier so that once anyone clicks on this stuff, it will send me a message immediately rather than going to compose a mail or something like that. So these are links to my social media. This for my GitHub, this for my Twitter, this for my LinkedIn, this for my WhatsApp, and this for my Behance or Behance, whichever one. So clicking on any of these links is supposed to carry anyone to my page. Okay, this is for my GitHub. You can see plenty of the ALX stuff we've been doing, what I have been doing. So for this particular site here already, so this is my portfolio website. This is the repository. These are all the stuff that is my HTML code, my JavaScript, my CSS, and these are the pictures that I actually used. Sorry that I named them this way. So basically, the links here work. They all work, and the page is responsive. So I would like to stop here at the moment because I'll try and keep up with the time. So this is the slide which I've talked about, and this is the code that I use, which is on my GitHub page, on my GitHub profile, so that anyone that needs them can access it. These are, and actually made it easy because I broke each section by each section. So once you go through them, you actually know the section and the part where you are at. These are the ending section that has the button. Okay. So even my HTML was actually made easy for everyone or anyone who is a coder to navigate across. So lastly, this is the website. This is the about me section. This is the home section. This is the about me section. This is the service section. This is the portfolio part, and this is the contacts. And here we have the end section. And voila, clicking on that carries you down all the way up. So thank you for listening and making our time. Catch you up later. Ciao, ciao.